Welcome back.
Oh no,
Wait.
I'm not welcomed yet. I want to be able to just grab it.
What is it? Welcome back to What's Inside. I'm Lincoln and this is Dan. And today we are going to cut open something that I don't even know what it is.
I love doing this. Sometimes Lincoln has no idea what we're going to cut open. So today is one of those days. You know, you saw the thumbnail, you saw the title.
Yeah.
Lincoln, are you ready for this? I don't think he's actually even heard of this before. So today we're going to cut open the old-fashioned, awesome Stretch Armstrong toy.
What?
He's excited. This is a toy that if you see these kids on here, they're all pulling on it like it's a piece of meat. Then he'll punch you in the face. Back in the day, this used to be a really popular toy because you can stretch him, tie him in a knot, but then when you let go, it basically goes back to his normal shape. I've never actually held a Stretch Armstrong. Let's cut it open and see what does it actually look like inside. How does it work? Stretch Armstrong.
I kind of been worried. It might be. He's huge. He is huge.
He's muscly. There he is. He even has writing on his underpants. There's his face. Beep.
I like his like 18 pack right there. Oh, it feels like it's gel inside. There's gel inside of this, I'm sure of it.
It's super heavy.
He's stronger than I am. It's so hard. I'm gonna let go soon.
He's back into shape, it's a miracle.
And with even more muscles. I need one of these to like
I'm gonna hit him with a sledgehammer and see what happens. Oh, it's a little one. Okay, hit it with that. Dude, he's rock solid. Okay, no, that's enough. We're gonna hurt the table. What is this thing made out of?
It's like gel. It seems like it's just gel. Coming in hot. I gotta go outside and chuck him in the air. Whoa.
Really?
Yeah. Oh.
Landed right on his face. His hair. Look at the road. It's yellow on the road now. Stay back, stay back, stay back. I'm gonna throw this super high. Oh no!
No!
Oh no!
Oh, it almost gave rid of
Lincoln, save his face from the cars. Oh, just missed his face. Lincoln, you look kind of like him.
I'm going inside.
Okay, let's go inside. This is not a good plan. Just got one of his eyeballs. This was inside of his head. Let go, let go.
I know.
Let go. Yikes.
I want to cut him open and see what's inside of him.
Okay, let go.
Just goes back.
Just goes back to his shape. This is where his head used to be, as you can tell. Right inside of there, some sort of hard plastic. I'm really curious to see if it's like, if it's sand material or if it's
Gel.
Gel. Looks like this guy is made in China, so there's that. We're gonna cut right down his six-pack. Performing some surgery here, opening the chest cavity.
Chest cavities. Oh, just. I'm gonna touch it.
Touch it.
It's sticky.
Weird.
We gotta just expose. Ah! What?
Oh, what is that?
Ah!
What are you doing, man? You're having too much fun.
Oh, it sticks.
It has no smell to it. Now look how stretchy he is. I have a 6 feet wingspan.
6 feet wingspan.
Yep, 6 feet long right now. I wonder what this material is. Hopefully we can get all of this off the table.
I'm actually trying.
His hand is stuck. It looks like a big snot, like you just sneezed. And
Ow, it hurts so bad.
I don't recommend you do this. This is getting out of hand, guys. I tried to pull off and it popped my knuckle. It is stuck.
Look at my hand.
Oh my gosh, it's sticking to the table. Okay. This stuff is dangerous.
This off.
We have this stuff all over the place. We need to get it out of here before it sticks around forever.
But now it's starting to itch me.
I wonder if there's any warnings that you're not supposed to mess with this stuff. Let's try to get all of his guts out and put it in a bowl.
I shouldn't have squeezed it.
Look at my fingers. That stuff is not coming off anytime soon. I think we might ruin the table. It's sinking into the table. Oh my gosh. Don't ever cut open your Stretch Armstrong toys. It's not good. This table. This is a disaster. I feel like this is just glue. I can't even unpinch my fingers after I pinch it. This table has been good to us for all these years. We've never really made a mistake with it where we've really hurt it, and you gotta think about the things we've done on here.
Yeah.
Stretch Armstrong finally did us in. This is the moment that we lose the table and we actually get in trouble by Mama.
By Mom. You have ruined us.
This is your new home, Stretch.
Should we go and hide? Because I think we might need to.
We need to clean this up.
This is worse than the angry mama, and now it's pretty bad.
Alright, maybe water. I think hot water will help us get that off. Water. Water actually does work. After lots of scrubbing, you guys can...
This is what the mess has turned into.
feel much happier now. There's your video.